When I called her, she was in some music concert. Hello, I said, Vidya.
She has told me about this.
मैं तो कहती आई कांट हियर यू. मैंने कहा बाहर आ जा, ये फोन कॉल से तेरी लाइफ चेंज होने वाली है, तो बाहर आके सुन ले. संजय बंसाली, अब तो वो संजय लीला बंसाली हो गया, वो मेरा असिस्टेंट था. कुमार शानू उसको बोल रहा है कि मुझे जल्दी गाना गवा लो, मुझे वापस जाना है, मेरा सनी में रिकॉर्डिंग है. मैंने कहा आई एम द राइटर प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर ऑफ दिस, 1 minute. सो आई ओपन द डोर एंड देयर वर लॉट ऑफ म्यूजिशियंस आउट देयर. आई सेड पैक अप. हम रात को जाके पहाड़ के ऊपर रोटी फेंकते थे कि रोटी खाने वो आ जाएं सुबह बर्ड्स. दैट इज हाउ आई गॉट बर्ड्स इन द फ्रेम.
And what a song. What a song. Interestingly, talking about people who thanked you, Vidya, I've spoken to her many times about the fact that before Parinita, I think around 11 or 12 films they shut down that she was working in. Either they were never made or maybe they did not release. And then Parinita happened. It was she was still not sure when you offered her the film. She was still not sure कि ये होने वाला नहीं है, because she had met with so much of rejection. So I think that is another chapter. If we can talk about another success story that happened because somehow you believed in her.
Vidya, it's very interesting you did that. Vidya's test I kept seeing, and I never met her. Can you imagine? I never met her till I offered the role. I offered her the role on telephone. Mm-hmm. I only saw her test here in my office on my television. And I kept saying, improve, improve, improve. And finally, I was used abusive words and says, if you can do it, I'll give you one more chance. And in that test, I could see her kind of abusing me, hone wala nahi hona, and she did a great job because she was unaware and she thought she won't get the role. So she didn't give a damn about projecting. She performed. And that, I said, is Parinita. And when I called her, she was in some music concert. Hello, I said, Vidya.
She has told me about this.
मैं तो कहती आई कांट हियर यू. मैंने कहा बाहर आ जा, ये फोन कॉल से तेरी लाइफ चेंज होने वाली है, तो बाहर आके सुन ले.
Ricky Martin, I think.
पता नहीं क्या था यार, उसको याद होगा, मुझे याद नहीं. But the point is, after that, after Parinita, लगे रहो, एकलव्य, 3 movies I cast her.
Right.
Because see, मेरा point क्या है कि उसको बोला संजय बंसाली, अब तो वो संजय लीला बंसाली हो गया, वो मेरा असिस्टेंट था. मैं MTV में कुछ अवार्ड मिले थे 1942 लव स्टोरी को डायरेक्टर के लिए, मैंने उसको भेजा जा ले अवार्ड. अब तो वो बहुत जोर से चिल्लाता है, तब तो घबराते घबराते अवार्ड लेने गया था. माधुरी दीक्षित के साथ मैं शूट कर रहा था ये प्यार के मोड़ पे. मैंने इसको कहा उसको कुछ बोल, माधुरी को बोल, टाइम नहीं, सनसेट हो रहा था. सर कैन यू से, मतलब ही वाज अ वेरी डिफरेंट गाय, बट आई न्यू कि उसके अंदर टैलेंट है. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी व्हेन आई सी सिनेमा एंड आई से यार ये इसने कुछ कर दिया लाइफ में. सो द पॉइंट इज, how do you spot talent? You have to be, I think, honest to yourself first of all, and in a crazy way, as people think ke bada ye wo hai, inside me there must be some humility that I can see talent which is greater than me sometimes. Like I genuinely believe that the way Pradeep Sarkar does my songs or Sanjay Bansali did my song are better than I can do. You see 1942 love story songs. They are filmed by Sanjay Bansali. And all that he used to say, sir dupatta udega aise karke, aise camera chale sir, oh ye hoga ye hoga. 1942 a love story, there are birds. I wanted birds in the sky. आज तो तुम डिजिटल बटन दबा के कितनी बर्ड चाहिए. हम रात को जाके पहाड़ के ऊपर रोटी फेंकते थे कि रोटी खाने वो आ जाएं सुबह बर्ड्स. That is how I got birds in the frame. So what I'm trying to tell you that you have to have a, in this, the image that you guys have of me, and I hope you retain that image because it keeps many people away from me, and I'm very happy to be who I am. But it comes out of really because maybe I'm not, I don't know yaar, you have to tell me something कि ऐसा क्यों है.
No, I think the first time I spoke to you was when Eklavya got an Oscar was being selected as India's entry, and you spoke from the heart, and a lot of people, they got ruffled by that conversation. I still remember. Okay, but so you are also someone who has been known for his honesty. It gets you into troubles, but at the same time, that is the hallmark of Vidu Vinod Chopra ki he will tell you the truth. You told Kumar Shanu that you've come late. for Kuch Na Kaho, and you're not sounding right. So if you have time, then come and we'll dub it once again. He was on top. I think आज के time पे अरिजीत सिंह को कोई बोल नहीं सकता है क्या आप लेट आए हो.
पर वो गाना कुछ ना को गाया, आज वो गाना आप सुनते इतने साल के बाद तो इसलिए अच्छा लगता है because he came. See what happened. It's a crazy story. He was supposed to come in the morning. I'm at Film Center and we are not rich people. Every hour is counting. 1942 A Love Story. R.D. Burman was down and out. And I was getting angry. I got angry. At 12 o'clock, I said, forget him, get another singer. R.D. said, no, he's coming. He's called me. They spoke in Bengali. 2 बजे आता है वो सिंगर और दाढ़ी वाड़ी थी. मैं उठा पर मुझे दादा ने कहा कि तू नहीं जाना. Vinod, you sit here. Vinod, he used to call. Vinod, you sit. So R.D. Burman said, I sat now. I'm sitting in the recording room in Film Center. So Dada went to talk to this guy, Shanu. And वो कुमार शानू से कुछ बंगाली में बोला और कुमार शानू उसको बोल रहा है कि मुझे जल्दी गाना गवा लो, मुझे वापस जाना है, मेरा सनी में रिकॉर्डिंग है. When I heard that in the machine room, I walked in. Now I looked young, so he couldn't figure out who I was. So I walked in and I told him, I said, you go home. It's okay. वो दादा को पूछता ये कौन है? Who is he? मैंने कहा, I am the writer, producer, director of this. 1 minute. So I opened the door and there were a lot of musicians out there. I said, pack up! Everybody go home. Because 2 बजे तो shift खत्म हो जाती, next shift होती. Pack up. गए सब. अब वो देख रहा है ये कर क्या रहा है. मैंने कहा, you go home, don't worry. And I said, if you ever want to sing this song, you haven't slept for many nights. I can see in your eyes and your beard is grown. You look half dead. If you ever want to sing a song, have a shower, sleep well and come to sing the song. Otherwise, forget it. The great thing about Kumar Sanu that I want to praise, 3 days later, he came in the morning, he had rested, he gifted me a fountain pen. And he said, sir, thank you so much for saying this to me. Ab aap dekhiye main kya gaata hu. That is how Kuch Na Kaho was sung.
And what a song. What a song.
Yeah. But if I had recorded that version, you would not say what a song bloody 30 years later. Yeah. Because he was singing terribly. So it's as simple as that. Now you can either say ke how Vinod got a great song and how Kumar Sanu performed a great song because of what I said, or you can say ye to root bagar hai. Now you decide. You have to decide.